Hey guys, welcome back. I got another review slash how-to video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the iPhone X and 10 just on the outside, so that way you can put on a case and a cover for the front screen, a front screen protector. In this case, I got these are Zeiss cleaning wipes. These are pretty inexpensive. You can get them at Walmart for pretty cheap. These wipes are you can use for several different things. You can use them to clean your phone, clean your touch screen, iPad or iPhone, even to clean your glasses or clean any type of lenses that you want to clean. In my experience, they've been really effective at doing their job. Once again, these are the Zeiss lens wipes. I do prefer using these. I've used these before, and like I said, you can get them at Walmart. And I should have in one of these a new case. This case is by Poetic. I got it online for pretty cheap. Like it was $9-10 online. Yep, this is the new case that I bought for the iPhone 10. It's Poetic is the name of the company that makes it. So hopefully this will work out well. I'll let you know. And these should be some screen protectors in here. I got these screen protectors for relatively inexpensive online. The name of the brand is Affix tempered glass screen. So this is what I bought to protect the screen of my new phone. So hopefully I can have it looking like brand new for the rest of the time I'm using it. Alright, so this is the case that I bought online. The name of the brand is Poetic. It was like $9-10 online. They got a nice little thank you card for your purchase. It feels pretty sturdy. This is how it looks. It's gonna go on the back of the phone to protect the bumpers, and it comes around the front too, so it will protect the screen. So you don't really need to use a screen protector. It's just something that I wanted to do because I'm a little particular about my phone, so I wanted to make sure that it stays nice. And we're just gonna give this we're gonna open this box, and we're gonna probably put the screen protector on first before I put on the case. And it looks like that. It's got some nice packaging. I think there's 3 in a box, and it was less than $5 to get this. And oh look, here's a little Amazon QR code. If you, I don't know if you can use that, but you can find it on Amazon. And it's got a little envelope there saying tempered glass. Some nice packaging for this brand here. First time I've heard of it. So they come individually wrapped. These are like tempered glass. There's 3 of them in one box. So that's a pretty good deal for like less than $5, getting 3 of these tempered glass pieces. And let's see what's in here. So they include cleaning wipes, so you don't need to buy separate cleaning wipes. So that's good. I didn't know that was included in there. And they've got these dust absorber things, so that's pretty nifty to have these. And they've got 3 of them for each of the glass cover. Now, since I already have this one open, I'm just gonna use this. So the very first thing I want to do is get this tempered glass on there. And I'm just going to wipe this screen down here, really make sure to get off all the little lint and dust off of the phone. It's got a little mind of its own right now. So anyhow, just going to finish. I'm going to actually open one of these wipes also. So what's good about these wipes, it's got a wet and a dry wipe. So I'm just going to, now this one is not very moist. It kind of, the moisture evaporates pretty quickly. So it goes like moist to dry, and that was the Zeiss wipes. It did a pretty good job. The phone looks really nice and clean. However, I just also wanted to show you this as part of the review for the Affix, the Affix brand Gorilla Glass screen protector. The red one is the wet one. I want to open this one first. So that way you guys can see, both of the wipes and how they work. This is... yeah, it feels pretty moist, so it's a little bit smaller, but it will do the trick. Okay, that's done, and now I'm gonna open the second one, the dry wipe. Okay, and I'm going to open this Gorilla Glass up, and it has a sticker on here, so this side will come off like so, and it will go on to the iPhone, and you're just gonna line it up like so. See if I can show you guys here what I'm doing. I'm just lining up the screen with the Gorilla Glass, and it just stays on there pretty good. I think I need to just it's aligned pretty well. I think I just need to adjust it just a slight bit. Now this Gorilla Glass, it feels a bit not like glass, but it feels sort of like plastic, but it's really heavy duty. Like you could tell like it's good quality. Let's see if I can get this alignment here. So it looks like I finally got the alignment. Alright, so that came out looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. It's lined up really, really, really well. Yeah, it feels like glass. Although it's stiff, but I think the material is not glass. It's maybe a combination of plastic and glass. And anyhow, let's go ahead and put on the back cover here, the Poetic cover. And this phone will be good to go. And this cover, it feels, soft and smooth. I like the feel of the cover. It's